Have you ever noticed how something as simple as getting up from your chair or walking across the room feels a little heavier than it used to? For many people over 50, those small everyday movements come with a dull ache, stiffness, or even swelling in the knees, ankles, or hips. It can feel frustrating, almost unfair. You want to stay active, to enjoy time with your grandkids, to take that walk around the neighborhood, or to get back into gardening, but your legs just don't seem to keep up the way they once did. Here's the truth. This isn't just getting old. It's your body sending you a message. One of the main reasons behind swelling joints, stiff legs, and that uncomfortable soreness is the loss of a single key ingredient: collagen. Now, collagen isn't some trendy supplement you've seen on the shelves. Collagen is something your own body naturally makes. Think of it as the glue that holds everything together. It cushions your knees, supports your hips, and gives your skin its elasticity. Without it, joints grind, cartilage thins, and swelling starts to build up in your legs. Here's the part most people don't realize. By the time you reach your mid-60s, your body is producing less than half of the collagen it once did. That's right. Imagine trying to run a car of half the oil it needs. That's exactly what your joints are experiencing every single day. Each step, each bend, each climb up the stairs comes with added strain, because the cushion that used to be there is slowly disappearing. And yet, here's the surprising and hopeful part. You don't have to accept this decline as inevitable. You don't have to resign yourself to aching knees, swollen ankles, or the idea that mobility naturally fades away with age. Because science has shown us something extraordinary. Recent studies reveal that certain everyday foods, simple items you can add to your diet without expensive pills or complicated routines, have the power to restore collagen in your body. Not only do they slow down the wear and tear in your joints, but in as little as 8 weeks, they can reduce swelling by nearly half, increase mobility, and even reverse some of the inflammation that makes walking uncomfortable. Think about that for a moment. Just by making small changes in what you eat, you could walk with less stiffness, feel stronger in your legs, and regain the freedom to do more of what you love. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Most seniors have never even heard of these foods. In fact, some of the most collagen-rich foods on the planet aren't the ones we grew up eating in the American diet. One of them contains 61% more collagen than anything else known, and yet, it's still missing from the average senior's plate. Imagine all those years. The answer was right there in nature, and now it's finally within reach. This isn't about fads. It's not about chasing miracle cures. This is about giving your body back what time has taken away. Real food, tested by science, proven by research, and trusted by people just like you, men and women over 50, who decided they weren't ready to give up on their health, their freedom, and their independence. And here's something else you may not know. Collagen isn't just about your joints. Restoring collagen also means your skin can regain elasticity, your legs can feel less heavy, and even the fluid that keeps your joints moving smoothly can increase by over 60% in just 1 month. That means less grinding, less swelling, and a lot more freedom to move the way you want. But before we dive into the list of the top 8 collagen-rich foods that can transform your legs and joints, I'd like to ask you something simple. How old are you today? I'd love for you to share your age in the comments below. We read every single one because your story matters. Every number is not just an age, it's a reminder of your journey, your resilience, and the fact that no matter where you are in life, it's never too late to rebuild your strength. In this video, we're going to take you step by step through 8 powerful foods. We'll start with the simple, everyday options that are hiding in plain sight, and work our way toward the ultimate, most collagen-packed meal on the planet. And trust me, you'll want to stay tuned until the very end, because the number 1 food we'll reveal is not only shockingly effective, but also something most Americans have never even tried. So, if you've been living with swelling, stiffness, or the feeling that your legs are holding you back from enjoying life, this is your chance to change that. Imagine walking more comfortably just a month from now. Imagine waking up in the morning and feeling steady, strong, and ready to take on the day instead of battling that first painful step. Your body wants to heal. It's designed to repair itself. All it needs is the right fuel. And today, I'll show you exactly where to find it. Let's begin. 1. Bone broth, the ancient collagen secret. If there's one food that deserves the title collagen in a cup, it's bone broth. This humble liquid has been used for centuries in nearly every culture. In Asia, it's the foundation of soups. In Europe, it's part of hearty stews. And today, modern science is catching up to what our ancestors instinctively knew. Bone broth heals. When bones are simmered slowly for 12 to 24 hours, something magical happens. The collagen hidden inside bones, cartilage, and connective tissue breaks down into gelatin and amino acids. These are the raw materials your body needs to repair its own joints, tendons, and even skin. Collagen is like the cushion inside your knees and hips. As we age, that cushion wears down, leading to stiffness and swelling. By drinking bone broth, you're essentially refilling that cushion. A 2019 clinical trial published in Nutrients found that adults who consumed collagen peptides from bone broth experienced a 43% reduction in knee discomfort within 12 weeks. Another study reported that daily gelatin intake improved collagen density in cartilage, making joints more flexible. Sip a warm cup of bone broth instead of coffee in the afternoon. It soothes the stomach and fuels your joints. Use it as the base for chicken soup, beef stew, or vegetable broth. Cook rice or quinoa in bone broth for a collagen boost in every bite. Every time you hold that warm mug, think of it as more than comfort. It's a quiet act of healing, a way of telling your legs, I still need you, I still care for you. 2. Salmon, omega-3 collagen boosters. Picture this: your joints are like gears in a machine. Without oil, the gears grind and wear out faster. That's what happens when inflammation attacks collagen in your joints. Omega-3 fatty acids from salmon, sardines, and mackerel act like the oil, keeping things smooth, flexible, and pain-free. In 2017, Arthritis Research and Therapy reported that older adults who ate fatty fish at least twice a week had lower levels of joint inflammation markers compared to those who didn't. Another study revealed omega-3 south can slow cartilage breakdown by up to 22% in people over 55. Practical for seniors: baked salmon with olive oil and herbs, sardine straight from the can rich in both collagen and calcium, tuna salad made with Greek yogurt instead of mayo for a healthier twist. Every bite of salmon isn't just a meal, it's like oiling the hinges of your body. Smooth, strong, and ready for more years of movement. 3. Eggs, tiny packages of collagen power. When you crack an egg, you're holding one of nature's most perfect nutrient packages. Inside, you get not only protein, but also collagen in the whites and proline, a vital amino acid for collagen production. The yolk brings vitamin D and sulfur, both necessary for building strong joints. A 2017 study on eggshell membrane supplementation, seniors reported noticeable improvement in knee flexibility and reduction of stiffness within just 10 days. That's faster than most supplements work. How to add more eggs. Hard-boiled eggs for an easy snack. Vegetable omelets loaded with spinach, onions, and mushrooms. Deviled eggs made with Greek yogurt instead of heavy mayo. Each egg is like a small capsule of renewal, reminding you that powerful medicine doesn't always come in a bottle, it can come from your kitchen. 4. Citrus fruits, vitamin C, the collagen spark. Imagine trying to build a house without nails. That's what happens when your body tries to make collagen. Without vitamin C, it just doesn't hold together. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits provide the spark that activates collagen production. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that people with higher vitamin C intake had 30% slower progression of osteoarthritis compared to those with low intake. That means fewer swollen joints and more years of easy walking. Easy tips. Drink warm lemon water each morning. Snack on mandarins in the afternoon. Add orange slices to salads for a refreshing twist. A juicy orange is more than a sweet snack, it's a burst of sunshine for your joints. A reminder that healing can be bright and refreshing. 5. Leafy greens, collagen's protective shield. You may have heard your doctor say eat more greens, but here's why they matter for your legs. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are loaded with antioxidants like lutein and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll has been shown to increase collagen precursors in connective tissue, meaning your body has more raw material to build from. Research in Journal of Medicinal Food found that seniors who consumed high chlorophyll vegetables had stronger connective tissue and less cartilage degradation over time. Practical for seniors. Blend spinach into smoothies, it's tasteless but powerful. Salt kale with garlic and olive oil for dinner. Add chard to soups and stews for extra nutrition. Each bite of leafy greens is like putting armor around your joints, protecting the progress your body is making, step by step. 6. Berries, collagen's colorful allies, bright, sweet, and packed with antioxidants. Berries are more than just a treat. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are full of vitamin C and ellagic acid, which fight the oxidative stress that breaks down collagen. A clinical trial in Food and Function showed seniors who ate a cup of berries daily had better joint mobility and less stiffness within 16 weeks. How to eat more. Blueberries on morning oatmeal. Strawberries blended into yogurt. Raspberries sprinkled on whole grain cereal. Berries are tiny, but they fight big battles for you, keeping your collagen safe and your steps strong. 7. Beans and legumes, plant-based collagen builders. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas might not look impressive, but inside they carry lysine and copper, two essentials for collagen production. Without lysine, your body can't form stable collagen fibers. Without copper, the collagen you do make is weak and breaks down easily. A 2018 study found that adults over 55 who consumed legumes 4 times a week had significantly stronger connective tissues and less joint discomfort compared to those who rarely ate them. Meals made simple: lentil soup with carrots and celery, chickpea salad with olive oil and lemon, black beans in tacos or burrito bowls. Every bowl of beans is like laying bricks for stronger, more stable joints. It's plant power fueling your second half of life. The ultimate collagen superfood: chicken feet and skin. Here's the surprise most Americans overlook. Chicken feet and skin contain 61% more collagen than any other food source. While it may sound unusual, many cultures from Asia to South America have embraced it for centuries. In a clinical trial published in Clinical Interventions in Aging, adults over 55 who consumed chicken cartilage collagen saw improved knee function and reduced pain by 40% in just 90 days. How seniors can use it. Add chicken feet to soups. Many Asian markets in the US sell them. Roast chicken with skin on, enjoying it crispy. Use chicken broth daily as a collagen tonic. It may not look glamorous, but it's nature's most concentrated, natural collagen therapy. One serving could give your joints more relief than months of supplements. Remember, age is just a number. Your legs can still be strong, flexible, and resilient. Your body is always ready to heal, it just needs the right fuel. Collagen-rich foods aren't a miracle overnight, but they are loyal allies. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish your joints, reduce swelling, and walk confidently. Imagine waking up in the morning without knee pain, enjoying an afternoon walk without worrying about swelling, or moving around freely without stiffness. This is the life you can achieve if you stay consistent. Now is the time to turn knowledge into action. Don't let aching legs or swelling control your life another day. Start today. Pick at least 2 to 3 collagen-rich foods from the list and include them in your meals. Stick to this weekly routine, don't skip a week. Track your progress, notice changes in knees, ankles, and hips. Share your experience in the comments below. Let us know which foods you tried, how your joints feel, and the improvements you notice. We read every comment and respond personally. Also, subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss future videos with practical, science-backed health tips for people over 50. Each video provides actionable guidance to help you walk confidently and live fully every day. Consider this your second chance for your legs and joints. No expensive medications, no complicated supplements, just natural, science-backed foods and your commitment. Your legs have carried you through life from your first steps to decades of experiences. Now it's time to honor them by nourishing and protecting them from within. Look ahead, a life free from pain, stiffness, or swelling. A life where you can walk, garden, play with your grandchildren, or even dance with ease. Make every meal an act of love for your legs and your body. Food is your power. Collagen is your ally. And now is the time to act. Thank you for watching. Your legs and joints deserve the very best care, and every small step counts. Share your questions or experiences in the comments below. I read them all and would love to hear from you. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on tips that help you move freely and live fully. Can't wait to see you in the next video.